Hi everyone, welcome to TD'Lavana Cuisines, and today I'm gonna show you a wonderful Chettinad chicken Varuval recipe for you all. And this recipe made with whole grain spices and it takes less than 45 minutes. So these are the ingredients that you need to follow. And before going to the videos, please subscribe my channel, like my videos. And the Chettinad chicken is one of the spices and the most aromatic flavor that you can find in my recipes. So firstly, I'm gonna roast the spices like pepper, fennel seeds and cummin seeds, and I'm gonna pouring the spices into the pan and roast it till fragrant. This is almost done, so I'm gonna pouring the roasted spices into my blender and blend it and keep them aside. Now I'm gonna cook the chicken, so hit the wok and pouring the spices and stir fry. And add shallots and continue stir fry. Here I gonna add some tomatoes and together with chicken. And continue keep stirring. I'm gonna add the ginger garlic paste and keep stirring. So I'm gonna cook the chickens about 5 to 10 minutes, and this is the easiest way that you can cook the chicken. And I'm gonna cook the chicken on medium flame. And you may check every single minute that doesn't stick anything at the bottom. So keep stirring, and look at this, it's almost done. The liquid of chicken is almost evaporating, so I check the chicken is cooked, and then I'm gonna keep them aside. Now I'm gonna cook a Chettinad paste. So heat the oil and add the spices and the ginger garlic paste. Here I'm gonna add some onions, chopped onions. And add curry leaf, chilies. You may add some chili PADIs if you're spicy lover. And I'm add some tomatoes, turmeric powder. Cook until the tomatoes become mushy. And then I'm gonna add some roasted cashew nuts and raisin. And you may add along coriander powder, blended spices powder, chili powder and chicken curry powder, and then keep stirring. And I'm gonna add a little bit of water and stir it well. Here I'm add black pepper powder, and I add a little bit water. And time for add the lemon juice, salt, some seasoning, and keep stirring. And I'm here add pre-cooked chicken into the paste and stir it well. So cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. And cook it on medium flame. So you find that the paste become thick. So pouring milk is optional. And finally, I'm gonna add black pepper powder and coriander powder, 1 tablespoon, and keep stirring. Here my garnish is dry chilies, curry leaf, and coriander leaf, and stir it about 2 minutes. Here we go. Ta-da! Look at my Chettinad chicken Varuval, and it looks so yummy, man. So guys, please subscribe my channel and like my videos, share as maximum as you can. So I hope you like my videos and do try at home. So until then, stay tuned with TD'Lavana cuisine. Bye bye.